You ever go camping and you have just a ton of people that you're trying to keep hydrated, and they got water bottles, and then all of a sudden half drinking water bottles are everywhere and you have no idea whose is whose, where goes where, and you don't want to grab them because you're like, was that my water bottle? And you don't know if that was your water bottle or somebody else's, and so you end up throwing away a ton of water. This camping season, let me introduce you into this because this kind of solves the problem. Whether you want cold water, which by the way, this is over 100 ounces of cold water for when we're camping. Now, believe me, it is hot out here. We actually have record-breaking heat temperatures that are happening. Why are we camping? I don't know, but we are. So while we are, we need to stay hydrated. And instead of having plastic bottles everywhere, this is over 100 ounces of ice cold water. Now, the wonderful thing about this is it can make me lazy. And any product that makes me lazy, I'm all about. If you can increase my lazy game from here to here, let's do it. Now, what the lazy part about this is because it holds over 100 ounces of ice cold water and stays cold for up to 18 hours. Up to 18 hours cold and 12 hours hot. So if it was a cold day and we wanted to put hot water in here for hot chocolate for the kids, but we're getting ready to set up for a family picnic, and this is perfect for the kiddos. Now, let me show you a little bit about how it works. To get it open, which is awesome because you can see that, or maybe you don't know, there's a lot of little flies flying around here. So this contraption keeps our water pure, keeps it clean, and keeps this from being bumped over and spilled. So if this accidentally gets bumped over, it's not gonna spill out or anything like that as well. So you just open up the lid in here, and then you have the pumping mechanism right here with the straw, the pump, and it just is really simple. You just have to yoink that out, and that opens up where we're gonna pour our water down. But before we pour our water down, I'm gonna throw a few of these ice cubes in here. I love these ice cubes. Now, what these ice cubes are gonna actually do is gonna extend that 18 hours because now the water is going to be ice cold. So we're gonna throw those ice cubes in there, and then we're gonna dump the water. Nice, good filtered water in there. Then don't forget to put the straw back in. Everybody's gonna be mad at you and wondering who left the straw out. Snaps that right back in. Now, really quick before we test the water feature, to clean it, super easy to clean. On the back side of here, you just pull it out like this. This top comes off, and then you can clean this piece right here. Clean all the straw separately. Super, super easy to clean. Again, this definitely ups the lazy game. So now we can just leave this out on the picnic table, ready to go. And when the kiddos want it, they can just grab their cup. My wife is so fun. She actually puts the name on the kiddos' cups, and the kids can come back and lift this up just like that. And a couple presses, just like you're getting your ketchup for your hot dog. You can press down just like that. And about 3 presses, you have a nice cold cup of water. This water right here is going to stay cold. It's going to stay refreshing. Just as if you wanted to fill it up with any beverage, you could fill it up with coffee. You could fill it up with OJ. You could fill it up with apple juice. Anything you want to fill it up with is going to stay that temperature, hot or cold, all day long, or should I say all weekend long, as you take it camping with you. To store it back into its original storage spot, you just lift this up, pull this lever, and it's down. And dump it out, dry it out, wash it out, and you're ready to store it away for the next time that you need it on your next camping adventure.